sitting in the Newline camera car at the moment. Now, of course, I've fitted a lot of accessories to this rig, and it is really heavy. It's also got a little bit of extra power, and it works really hard off-road. Now, when you modify a vehicle like this, you'll start to notice that a standard clutch really isn't up to the task. So we've fitted a heavy-duty one, and it's made a hell of a difference. Clutch Industries wanted to torture test their brand new 4Terrain Ultimate Clutch, and to be honest with you, there's no better way to do it than on a forward of action trip. There's a lot of difference between this and your standard clutch. The different material used on each side of the clutch plate allows higher torque capacity while keeping the ease and smoothness of the clutch, take-up and forgiveness. One huge advantage is this pressure plate. This uses a narrow section here to increase torque capacity by 8%. Well, the clutch performs like a heavy-duty one, but it actually drives like a standard one. It's got a really soft pedal feel. And in my opinion, if you're going to do some modifications to your four-wheel drive or really want to take things serious off-road, well, you really do need a heavy-duty clutch in your four-wheel drive.